Hello, my name is Andrew Weiss, Director of Technical Services for the Onondaga County Water Authority. Welcome to your water system. Today we're talking about pump stations. This pump station that we're in is one of 48 pump stations in OCWA's system. The 48 pump stations represent over 100 individual pumps installed and a combined motor horsepower of over 12,000 horsepower. Together they move on average 38 million gallons a day of water to the customer. But let's look at these pumps specifically and talk about how our pump stations are configured. Next to me you see one of several types of pumps that OCWA utilizes in our stations. These are called vertical turbine centrifugal pumps. The other major type of pumps that OCWA utilizes are horizontal centrifugal pumps. In common between the pumps are what actually moves the water. In my hands here is a metal disc that is contained inside these pumps. This disc is called an impeller. In these pumps, this disc is oriented horizontally down below and is what is spinning connected to a shaft being driven by the electric motor. As this metal disc spins, the water passes through the disc and is pushed forward at great speed and with pressure. That's ultimately what the pumps are doing to move the water into our distribution system and out to one of our water storage tanks. The pumps that you see here are 125 horsepower. They are each capable of moving approximately 1,200 gallons per minute. Like most of OCWA's pump stations, they are redundant. One pump in this station does the work on any normal day. The second pump remains in standby in case the first pump needs maintenance or in case there's a sudden increase in flow in the system. By having redundancy in our pump stations, we're able to maintain reliable operation while we're performing routine maintenance, service, and replacement. When a pump like this is running, it is moving the water through our piping system out to the customers and ultimately to one of our storage tanks. Typically, by the end of the day, after people have stopped using as much water as they normally do when they get home from work or when they're doing activities in their yard, our storage tanks fill up to their capacity. At that time, our control system tells these individual pumps to turn off for the day. When the pump turns off, the control valve that's located on the discharge of every pump closes, and that stops the water from circulating backwards through the pump station. These pumps are controlled by computers and are carefully regulated to maintain the desired flow and pressure that OCWA has designed them for in our water system. This is a fairly traditional setup throughout our system, but they do come in a lot of shapes and sizes, and we'll show you some more of those as time goes on in this video series. Thank you, and welcome to your water system.